A great way to pass time while we wait for the release of cars, and, you know, of course, we need to earn some upics along the way, because cars aren't going to be free. We can do some treasure hunting, and treasure hunting is something that I've had a little bit of a history with here, but we also have Detroit that launches behind us, and that means that we've got a new city to hunt in as well. So that's really fun, so let's jump in, see if we can find ourselves some treasure chests. Hey there, John Henry here, ssftg. Welcome to the video. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome my friend. I hope to earn your like and subscription today. In this one, we're going to be taking a look at some treasure hunting, and like I said, historically, my treasure hunting skills, luck, and general experience has been kind of lackluster. That's not necessarily a bad thing, but the chests that I always get are on the minimum side of things. I almost never get one that's actually worth anything. And a spark chest? Well, I hear they exist. I haven't personally found one myself. I can't joke too much. In Los Angeles, I was able, of course I wasn't recording it, God forbid you record it on camera, right? I was able to get a chest of 1,200 upics, so I did get a better one than just minimum, but my luck has been not so great. Maybe Detroit can change that for us. Of course, before we can start hunting, we need to make sure that we have enough sends so that we don't get stuck somewhere. So as far as I am locationally, I'm in the middle of the map, which is about as perfect as we can ask for in terms of location for starting out a treasure hunt. And as far as sends go, let's see, how many sends do I have? Let's just try to send to somewhere here. Let's go here. And we'll send. Okay, so I've got 8 sends available, which that should be enough. Most treasure hunts for me, I'll be able to find in like 3 to 5, and I'm gonna be real, closer to the 5 side of things. I'm working on getting better, all right, but it's usually on the 5 end, and with 8, that should be good enough. So, knowing that we have enough sends and we're ready to go, I'm about in the middle of the map of Detroit, give or take. We are going to be dealing with a tier 3 treasure, so it's not going to be anything crazy. It's not going to be thousands and thousands of upics, but the sends are a lot cheaper. The rewards will match that being a little bit cheaper as well. But let's jump in here. Let's go in, and we'll go into the treasures, and we'll fire off a new treasure chest here so we can spawn this one for free. And this tells us right here, yeah, so this gives us a big idea as to what we can expect. The treasure for here will give us a reward anywhere from 45 to 1,350. So right out of the gates, we can tell this is a tier 3 treasure hunting zone. All right, so I got to give this another shot. False start. Talk about a false start. You'll see this says spawn again. That's because I went in and tried doing the verification code to send to my person, and the verification code never came. So I missed the entire last treasure chest while I'm waiting for my Upland verification code to come in basically the mail, which never showed up. So I had to call the mail lady and got a hold of her, and I think I found my package finally. Unbelievable. So we'll spawn another one for 20, and we'll try this again. So let's give this another shot here. We'll go in, find my character. There we are. And let's give this another shot. So as far as treasure locations go, we're actually pretty close. Looks like it's about east. Not too far, though. How about over here on Russell Street? What about over here? This is a 5 upic send. So we'll go over here. See if that puts us any closer. Looks like we overshot it. Ugh, okay. We've got to go bottom. Let's see. What about over here? This is another 5 upic send. There we go. Zoom in a little bit closer here. See if we can find it. Looks like we've got to go west a little ways now. What about over here? Right in the corner at the sit-go. That's a 25 upics. No thanks, I'm not sending to you. You're 25 upics too, huh? Why is everyone so expensive? 5, thank you. Let's go over here. Don't feed the gougers. Go over here, hit this. Am I closer? I overshot it again. I gotta work on my distances. Let's see here. How about there? 25, not sending there, no thank you. 15, not sending there, no thank you. 5, there we go. All right, send over here. Am I closer? Ooh, man, I'm right on top of this thing. What do you mean? What, I send across the street? Wow. Over here. All right, let's go over here. right on next door. Still not good enough, huh? Really? Really? Okay. What is it over? Where is this thing? Jeez. Okay, it's got to be this one, right? No. This one? It's got to be here then, right? 3? Hey, I finally found it. Ay, 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 ay. I definitely need some practice. All right, we need more than 40. That was a real bad one. Please? Give it like 200. Come on. Oh, hey, we got 100. That's not bad at all. Not minimum. All right, let's collect the reward, get that all collected up. All right. Oh, man, a little bit of a false start there. We had a rough start with the send thing not showing up, and then the second one right down the street. But it does look like they extended out how far you can see the tips. That's a little bit strange. I thought in Los Angeles I wasn't able to see out more than a couple properties. Maybe that's just because these are so small as well, but I feel like I could go down the street and still get an idea as to where it is, which I definitely think played a role in messing up my distances a little bit there. That's going to do it for this adventure into treasure hunting, though. It's definitely a lot of fun. It's different, and I need a lot of practice. And there are some differences when you go from different areas. It seems like the distances might be a little bit adjustable, too. Might have to get familiar with that a bit more here. But the Detroit area, it's nice and cheap to send around. Make sure you're only sending it to the 5 UpX ones. Don't feed the gougers like we always say. And you can actually, I mean, even at 40-something, be able to do pretty well. But our first one here, aside from the false start one, we got 100. Not too bad. If you aren't in Upland yet, make sure to register with the promo link in the description. It gets you started with 6,000 UpX, and along with that, you get a massive 50% bonus to your first UpX purchase when you use the link, and you do not want to miss out on that. More details can be found on ssftg.com/upland. Thanks for watching, and until the next one, have an awesome day in the metaverse. We'll talk to y'all later.